Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica, and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hi guys, so today we'll be showing you guys how to make a quick and easy Moringa hair mask that is perfect for your hair treatments. We decided to make this hair mask for wash day and show you guys exactly how we did it, so stay tuned. The first ingredient that we'll be using is Moringa powder. We'll be using 2 tablespoons of Moringa powder. Moringa is very effective for hair growth because it helps to develop the hair cells. It also activates dormant hair follicles, and lastly, it prevents premature graying. The second ingredient that we'll be using is neem powder. We'll also be using 2 tablespoons of neem powder. Benefits of neem powder are it helps to stimulate hair growth. It also conditions your hair and makes it soft. It also helps to treat dandruff, head lice, or other scalp infections. The third ingredient that we'll be using is amla powder. We'll also be using 2 tablespoons of amla powder in this hair mask. Amla, which is also known as Indian gooseberry, is a fruit that is loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that help with collagen production in the hair. It also helps to promote hair growth, and amla also acts as a hair conditioner, so it is perfect for this hair mask. Now, once all your ingredients have been added into a bowl and evenly mixed in, now it is time to add water. We'll be adding just a little bit of water and mix it in gradually in order to maintain a smooth and thick paste. Now we'll also be adding in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Gently mix this into your hair mask. This will help to condition your hair and add some luster and shine. just a quick and easy hair mask that you guys can do to condition and strengthen your hair on wash day. It is simple and contains just 3 ingredients. Once your hair mask is ready, you can either transfer it into a jar for storage or go right ahead and use it straight away. Our wash day is over the weekend, so we decided to store the hair mask in a glass jar and keep it in the fridge to preserve it till then. For application, you can part your hair in 4 and evenly distribute the hair mask from the scalp to the ends of your hair like we've done in our previous videos. This mask can be left on your scalp for 30 to 45 minutes before being washed off. This hair mask will stimulate hair growth and treat damaged hair, hair shedding, dandruff, dry scalp, lice, hair breakage, brittle hair, and hair thinning. Now guys, kindly let us know in the comment section below if this video was helpful to you and if you'll be trying out this amazing Moringa hair mask. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a like, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!